Have you ever gazed upon the stars and wondered if we are alone in the universe? It's a thought that has crossed almost every mind. The universe is an almost infinite expanse, teeming with billions of galaxies, each home to millions, even billions of stars. And around these stars, planets orbit, some within the habitable zones where life, as we understand it, could potentially thrive. Now consider the Fermi paradox, a concept that ponders the contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact or evidence. It's named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked, "Where is everybody?" during a conversation about the possibility of intelligent life beyond Earth. In the grand scheme of things, our existence is but a blink in cosmic time, and our galaxy is but a tiny speck in the vast cosmic ocean. So with the universe being so vast, the question isn't so much, are there aliens, but rather, where are all the aliens? Our curiosity about extraterrestrial life is not new. In fact, it dates back centuries. The ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Mayans, looked to the stars for guidance, their myths and legends often filled with celestial beings. The Greeks too pondered the existence of life on other planets, with philosophers like Democritus and Epicurus musing about infinite worlds and life beyond our own. As centuries rolled on, our understanding of the cosmos expanded. The birth of modern astronomy in the 16th century with Nicolaus Copernicus, who proposed a heliocentric model of the universe, set the stage for a scientific revolution. Johannes Kepler, Galileo Galilei, and Isaac Newton would further our understanding, each contributing to the foundations of space exploration. But it was not until the 20th century that the search for extraterrestrial life became a concrete scientific endeavor. The advent of radio technology allowed us to listen to the stars for the first time. Scientists like Nikola Tesla and Guglielmo Marconi believed they had picked up signals from Mars, sparking a wave of Martian mania. Fast forward to the 60s and the birth of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence known as SETI. This project, utilizing radio and later optical telescopes, scans the skies for signals from advanced civilizations. SETI's most famous moment came in 1977 with the WOW signal, a strong narrowband radio signal that to this day remains unexplained. Parallel to SETI, NASA has been probing our solar system for signs of microbial life. From the Viking missions to Mars in the 70s to the current Perseverance rover, we're searching for evidence of life past or present on the red planet. Despite all our advancements and efforts, the universe remains silent. But that doesn't mean we've stopped listening. In our modern era, the search for extraterrestrial life has taken on new dimensions. Today, the quest for the unknown is no longer confined to the realms of science fiction or the musings of philosophers. With the advancement of technology, our scope and methods of searching have dramatically evolved, pushing us closer to the possibility of discovering life beyond Earth. One of the most notable efforts in this pursuit is the Mars rover missions. These robotic explorers, like the Perseverance rover, are our eyes and ears on the red planet. Their main task is to investigate the Martian surface for signs of past or present life. They analyze soil and rock samples, looking for biosignatures, unique chemical patterns that could only be created by biological processes. These rovers' work is crucial as Mars, with its historical presence of water, is one of the prime locations in our solar system where we might find evidence of extraterrestrial life. Parallel to our exploration of Mars, another significant area of focus is the search for exoplanets. These are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. With the help of advanced space telescopes like the Kepler and the Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, we've discovered thousands of these celestial bodies. Some of them reside in the so-called habitable zone of their star, where conditions might just be right for life as we know it. These promising discoveries fuel our curiosity and intensify our search for life in the cosmos. Closer to home, the study of extremophiles on Earth also contributes significantly to our understanding of life's potential in the universe. Extremophiles are organisms that thrive in extreme conditions where most forms of life would not survive. Deep within ice sheets, in high radiation environments, or in the extreme pressures of the deep sea. By studying these hardy life forms, scientists gain insights into the types of life that may exist on other planets with harsh environments. Technology plays a pivotal role in these endeavors. Advanced robotics allow us to explore distant planets. Sophisticated telescopes enable us to spot exoplanets light years away, and cutting-edge biochemistry techniques help us study the smallest life forms on our own planet. Our technological prowess has transformed our search for alien life from mere conjecture into a tangible and systematic quest. While our search has not yet yielded definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, it has certainly broadened our understanding of where life could exist. Each Mars rover mission, each newly discovered exoplanet, and each extremophile studied here on Earth brings us one step closer to potentially answering one of humanity's oldest questions. While we may not have found definitive proof yet, every day we are getting closer to answering the question of whether we are alone in the universe. So, what does the future hold for our quest to find extraterrestrial life? As we look forward, the possibilities are as vast as the cosmos itself. Potential future missions and emerging technologies are set to take our search for alien life to new heights. We're not just talking about spotting a distant planet or two, but about finding signs of life beyond our solar system and perhaps, just perhaps, making first contact. Imagine for a moment the upcoming missions. There's the James Webb Space Telescope, touted as the successor to Hubble, set to launch in the next few years. This giant eye in the sky will peer into the deepest reaches of the universe, scanning for signs of organic molecules on distant exoplanets. Then there's the Breakthrough Starshot project, a proposed mission to send tiny laser-propelled spacecraft to our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri. These star chips could reach speeds of up to 20% the speed of light, arriving at their destination in just over 2 decades. If successful, this could be our first glimpse of a habitable world outside our solar system. But it's not just about the technology. The search for extraterrestrial life also has profound philosophical implications. Finding life elsewhere would fundamentally change our understanding of our place in the universe. It would tell us that we are not alone, that life is not a unique quirk of Earth, but a cosmic norm. And what if that life is intelligent? The implications are staggering. How would we communicate? What could we learn from them? And perhaps most importantly, what could they learn from us? As we push the boundaries of what's possible, remember that every new discovery is a stepping stone on the path to understanding our place in the cosmos. The search for extraterrestrial life is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a journey of discovery that could change our understanding of our place in the universe. So, are aliens real? The answer is, we don't know, but we're looking. We've journeyed through the vast expanses of the cosmos, and we've realized just how immense our universe truly is. It's a space filled with billions upon billions of galaxies, each teeming with a multitude of stars, many of which are orbited by planets of their own. Given this astronomical number of worlds, many of us can't help but wonder if we are alone. We've delved into the history of our search for extraterrestrial life, a quest that has spanned centuries, if not millennia. From ancient philosophers gazing up at the stars to modern scientists scanning the cosmos with sophisticated telescopes, we have always been driven by a desire to find life beyond our planet. Our search has evolved over time, adapting to new discoveries and technologies. Today, our quest is more sophisticated than ever. We're not just looking for little green men. We're searching for microbial life, for complex organisms, for signals from advanced civilizations. We're studying distant exoplanets, deciphering their atmospheres and trying to detect any signs that might indicate the presence of life. And what of the future? Well, the search for alien life is far from over. In fact, it's accelerating at an unprecedented pace. With every passing year, we're developing more advanced tools and techniques, pushing the boundaries of what we can detect and where we can look. We're venturing further into the cosmos, and our understanding of life and its potential to exist elsewhere is continually expanding. Whether we are alone in the universe or not, the search for extraterrestrial life continues to inspire us and expand our understanding of the cosmos. Because in the end, it's not just about finding aliens, it's about exploring the mysteries of the universe itself.